Alright, welcome back to my Tech YouTube channel. In this video I'm going to be directing you on how to set up ZIVPN configuration premium server in all countries and on all networks. So don't forget to subscribe to this YouTube channel, don't forget to share this video to your friend. If you haven't yet been connected, just drop down there in the comment section your country. I'm connecting all countries right now. Just drop your country down there in the comment section and your network. I'm going to be making you right now a clip on how to get connected, because 90% of my subscribers, my viewers, are connected. So don't just spend your data on useless things. Go to the comment section and drop your country. I'm going to connect you. So open the Google Play Store. Don't forget to subscribe to our YouTube channel. Don't forget to share this video to your friend. If you get any problem, I'm available in the comment section with my team. I have Tracy, I have Miles. They are there in the comment section helping people for free in all countries. So search this VPN application, and after install it on a mobile device. After installing it on a mobile device, make sure to open this VPN application. I'm going to show you how you can be creating a server. So this tutorial is for educational and information purposes only. We are not answerable to any issues of the application, the VPN application. Therefore, users are using this application at their own risk. So welcome to ZIV. You're going to be seeing such a message, and then we don't have what to answer right there in the user, password, the servers. Now let me show you how you're going to be creating those things. Open your Google Chrome, and when you open your Google Chrome, this is what you're going to be entering. Open a new tab, and then go where you are searching from. Then put custom UDP. This is what you're going to be doing. We have the first site. Check the first site, and then this is what you're going to do next. Don't forget to like this video. Don't forget to subscribe if you find this video helpful, and if it fails, just flash the comment section. We are going to connect to you right now. So we're going to come right here where you have the menu. Sorry, those are the adverts. We're going to come right. Sorry, I want to show you, and I don't want any of my viewers to miss a step. There is where we are going, and then we are going to come right here where we have the 30 days UDP servers. Hope all of you are seeing. And then you're going to come right here. We have the 30 days ZIVPN UDP, and then I'm going to close the advert. Don't forget to like this video. Don't forget to subscribe to our YouTube channel. Just scroll down. That is an important note. We're going to be reading that. Creating this UDP, ZIVPN VPN Premium Server, you need an access code. So before doing anything, first come and get the access code. Make sure you note the access code somewhere. The access code is down here. Down. Scroll down. We're going to be seeing the access code. It is this one. We have 52F. Help me and cram for me this code. We are going now to go back, and then you are going to complete the recaptcha, and then I'm going to be entering the access code 52F. Then I'm going to enter the username Marustech, and then the password 1234. Then create the account now. Wait for 9 seconds to create this account. If the access code is right, then we have created a server successfully. It is a premium multi-login. That means you can log in more than one device. Then you copy the server IP, and then copy the password. Make sure you are using a keyboard which has multiple clipboards. Then you go back to your ZIVPN application, and then this is what you're going to do next. Enable the UDP, and then come. Hope you have enabled the UDP. You're coming right here to enable the UDP, right here, and then you're going to come right here, and then you're going to come where we have UDP tunneling right here, and then you're going to put in our server, this one, and then you're going to put in the password, and then you're going to apply. After applying, hope everything is set. Then you're going to press the start button, and then as you see, the application has connected successfully. Let me show you. Wait for a few moments. I show you that it is working. That is an advert. As you see, it has connected successfully. UDP connected successfully. This is what I mean. So guys, don't forget to subscribe to this YouTube channel. Don't forget to share this video to your friend. I sign out.